Are you planning to embark on the Skandagiri trek on a weekend? Well, before you pack your trekking bag and head out, pause for a moment. In this video, we are going to uncover the truth about why weekends might not be the best time to conquer Skandagiri. Join us as we delve into the top 5 reasons that will make you think twice before setting foot on this popular trekking trail on Saturdays and Sundays. Skandagiri, with its awe-inspiring views and serene atmosphere, is a must-visit destination for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. But what many fail to realize is that the weekend rush can often detract from the magical experience this place has to offer. So let's dive into the reasons why you might want to consider exploring Skandagiri on weekdays instead. Reason number 1. Escape the weekend rush. Weekends draw hordes of people, turning the trekking trail into a bustling hub of activity. Imagine maneuvering through congested paths and waiting in long queues just to catch a glimpse of the mesmerizing sunrise. By opting for weekdays, you'll have the opportunity to savor the tranquility of Skandagiri without the overwhelming crowds. Reason number 2. Lack of serenity. Weekdays provide a unique chance to immerse yourself in the peaceful ambience of Skandagiri. Picture yourself walking amidst untouched nature, listening to the melodic symphony of chirping birds and rustling leaves. This undisturbed serenity will undoubtedly enhance your connection with the surroundings. However, on weekends, your quest for tranquility may be challenged. You'll often encounter the picnic crowd with their Bluetooth speakers blaring loud music, casually strolling along the trail, obstructing your way. Resting trekkers might block the path, making it difficult for you to navigate. By choosing weekdays, you can escape the interruptions and fully enjoy the serenity that Skandagiri has to offer. Reason number 3. Skip the exhaustion. On weekends, the large queues at the forest checkpost can significantly eat into your precious trekking time. By the time you complete the check-in formalities, it could already be 4:30 am or even later. This leaves you with just 1 hour to dash to the peak before sunrise. Navigating through a crowd of hundreds of people can be challenging and time-consuming, hampering your progress. The constant hustle and bustle drain your enthusiasm and make the experience physically demanding. Despite Skandagiri being an easy to moderate trek, you'll need stamina and energy to reach the peak within that limited time. Opting for weekdays offers a more relaxed and rejuvenating trek, ensuring you have ample time to fully appreciate the journey without the rush and exhaustion. Reason number 4. Unobstructed views. Skandagiri offers panoramic vistas that will leave you in awe. But with the influx of visitors on weekends, finding a peaceful spot to soak in the majestic scenery can be a challenge. By choosing weekdays, you'll have the luxury of uninterrupted views, capturing the essence of Skandagiri in all its glory. Finally, reason number 5. Weekdays provide a more personal and intimate experience, allowing you to forge a deeper bond with the mountains, the trails, and your own sense of exploration. Unleash the adventurer within. Skandagiri is all about embracing your adventurous spirit and connecting with nature. So there you have it, fellow adventurers. Consider reshaping your trekking plans and discovering the hidden gems of this majestic destination on quieter weekdays. Don't let the weekend crowds hinder your journey.